Your home has a built-in boundary. Your front door, your entryway, is your built-in boundary. That front door, that threshold of your home, is the boundary between you and the outside world. It's the boundary between you and the life that you live when you walk out that door. That front door is a boundary. My therapist, who I love, has a great analogy for boundaries. She says boundaries are like a house. And you let people in only as far as you want to. Some people are living room people. We welcome them in. We really embrace them in our lives. Some people are kitchen people. We sit with them at the kitchen table and share our stories. But some people are front porch people. It's okay. You can come on my property, but just maintain your space. Some people are sidewalk people. It doesn't matter where somebody fits. The idea of boundaries as a house is a powerful concept, not just for our own self-care and our boundaries, but also in terms of our home. This month in the Chaos to Calm community, we are talking about your entryway. Your entryway is a boundary space. It is a space where you close off from the outside world and open up to the rich inner world that you have within you. This is the space that when you come home from a long day, you open your home and you know you are there. So this is a really vital space for us to organize, because if you come home at the end of the day and you feel stressed and overwhelmed, this entryway is a great place to work on, because this is your launching pad and landing pad. So when you come home from a long day, this is the landing pad that welcomes you in, embraces you in from a long day. And in the morning, when you are setting off on your day, this is the space that is launching you into life. It is the space that you are launching into the world from. If you don't have the things that you need to feel like you are thriving as you leave the house, ready for you in this entryway, it's going to feel really stressful when you leave your house. So in my experience, I find the entryway to be one of the most important spaces for us to organize, because this is your space that lets you be set up for success when you're going into the world, and lets you feel a sense of comfort and peace when you come home. So this is a space where we want to have it decorated. We want it pretty. We want, when you walk in that door, for it to be beautiful. So one quick task for you right now would be go and look at your entryway. Even if you don't really have an entryway, if you just have a front door and it leads right into your living room, it doesn't matter. You're still coming in through that entryway, that door frame. Can you do something, anything right now in the next 5 minutes? Can you pause this video and run and hang something beautiful in the entryway or on that door? What can you do to make this space feel more beautiful and calm and collected to you when you come home at the end of the day? The other question that I want to ask you is, what can you do or change or shift to help you feel strong and powerful as you launch out into the world? Do you need to hang that key ring that you bought like 6 months ago and have never hung yet, and you can never find your keys? Hang that key ring right now. Do you need to put a little hook up so that you can actually go and hang your backpack or your purse up when you walk in the door? Do you need a trash bin for the junk mail that you bring in with you whenever you check the mail, or some sort of inbox for your incoming mail? What do you need in order to feel like your needs are met when you are leaving the house, so that you're fully prepared, and so that when you come home, you feel great in your space? Just do one small thing. Take 5 minutes, 10 minutes right now to go and do one thing that makes coming home easier, and one thing that makes leaving the house easier. Your future self will be so, so grateful that you did it. It's a small thing. Sometimes the biggest change that we make is not doing huge projects. Sometimes it's little things, like making sure you hang up your keys when you walk in the door, or having a little basket to put your shoes in. A small change like that makes a big difference between you feeling a sense of peace and calm when you enter your home, and you feeling stressed out and overwhelmed. 10 minutes, that's all it takes. So go right now, pause this, turn it off, go and do something nice for yourself in your entryway that helps future you feel strong, grounded, and ready to take on the day ahead.